repetition. Yeah? How does that sound? Better? All right. Ready? 5 and 6 and 7 and...
She lived, as we all have lived, too many years in a culture broken by brutally powerful men. For too long, women have not been heard or believed if they dared to speak their truth to the power of those men. But their time is up.
Everybody wants a strong woman. Not until she stands up, flexes her muscles, projects her voice. Suddenly, she is too much. She has forgotten her place. Why is it that when a black woman stands to speak, even when people are ready to listen, she still speaks in silence? Facts. I am a woman, young, black, and beautiful. The sole purpose of my creation was to render help. But why do you hesitate to use my services in your government? It's amazing how you claim to promote gender equality when inferior positions are the ones given as agreement. The ratio isn't 50-50 because statistics prove that it is 95-5. So stop sugarcoating with your lies and stop suppressing fake love in your eyes. I am black. My mouth eats no nonsense, it's nonsense. My mouth knows neither injustice nor shame. My nose knows not how to smell inequality. My tongue is covered with truth, justice. For I speak what is right. I speak for my rights. I speak for those women that speak with a closed mouth because I am a strong woman. Ninebo umwana kashi oakosa. I know in the assumptions of your equations, you are equating women to nothing, right? Your equations only stated that the fury warriors were those with bold bowheads, those with heavy bodies pronounced with biceps and triceps. But I speak without a sense of shame that women are heroes. Back in the old eras lived a very visionary, vital, valuable, valiant female brave leader. Her eyes were sharp as those of an eagle. When she spoke, the wind would bow, and when she exhaled, kingdoms would fall. She fought triumphant battles with men and emerged victorious. Her name, Shangwe Moape II, great sufficient ruler of the humble people. She critically craved more monopoly in her reign. Her brave wouldn't sigh in war till peace reigned. She fought the white scammers who intended to invade the interiors of her land. Moape declared war just to vindicate the natives. I pay my reverence to our heroic. I pay my adoration to my idolization. I pay my worship to the tactful, triumphant female quest, because we women are triumphant. In this era, you and I are Shangwe Mwape the third. Pick that budget of hustle and let it bleed. Bleed chain, for we are the true descendants of our ancient idol. We are the mighty women in war. So stop that luxurious life and pick that spear of your destination. Strike those obstacles to birth diversity. Be known as a woman of value. Spirit and till you end that heroic history.